First question, one wheel is there. This is spinned. So we will get different outcomes. What are those outcomes? What are the possible outcomes? That is the question. What is the outcome we can get? Outcomes can be outcomes. A we can get same, then B we can get C, and we can get D. So the outcomes are A, B, C and D. Similarly, when two coins are tossed, we know coins will have two sides. One is head and the other is tail. If one coin is tossed, the possible outcomes will be either head or tail. Now, when two coins are tossed, what are the outcomes? Now, let us see. In first case, we can get head and head. Two coins can be head and head. Other case, one coin head, other coin can be tail, head and tail. Next, first coin can be tail and the second coin can be head, or two coins can be tail, tail. So, four outcomes. These are the outcomes. So, what is H means? H stands for head, whereas T stands for tail. Next, second question. He says, when a die is thrown, we know die will have 6 faces and all faces will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When that die is thrown, one face will show towards the top. That will be taken into consideration. For example, 4 is shown. So we will say it is 4. Like that, when a die is thrown, the question is outcome of getting a prime number. So, what are prime numbers? From this 1 to 6, 1, is it a prime number? No. So, the answer would be 2. 3, is it a prime number? Yes. 4, is it a prime number? No. 5 prime number? Yes. So, these are the prime numbers. Next, not a prime number. What are the numbers which are not prime? 1 is not prime. 2 is prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 4, not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. So, the outcomes of not a prime number are 1, 4, 6. In a second question, a number greater than 5. In a die, what are the numbers which are greater than 5? 6. Only one number. A number not greater than 5. Let us see. 1 not greater than 5? Yes. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is 5 not greater than 5? Yes. 5 is not greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5. So, not greater than 5 means 5 will also come. So, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, third question. Find the probability of pointer stopping on D. This is a figure from question 1A. This spin wheel is there. When it is rotated, it can stop at any point. So now what he is asking is, what is the probability that it stops on D? It can stop on any of these points. Now what is the probability that it will stop at point D? That is the question. First of all, what is the formula for probability? Probability, we know. Probability equal to number of outcomes that make an event Make an event divided by total number of outcomes of experiment. Outcomes of experiment. This we know. Now, for this question, number of outcomes that makes an event. What are the outcomes? Different outcomes are there. What outcome we want? D. How many D's are there? Only one. So the probability will be 1 divided by total number of outcomes. How many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So the answer will be 1 by 5. Next, second question B. An ace from shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Before proceeding to this question, we should have some knowledge about these cards. Let us discuss. We will be having 52 cards. In 52 cards, we will be having 4 aces. So, number of aces will be 4. So, total cards will be 52. Now, he is asking, getting an ace. How many aces are there? 4. Total cards? Total cards? 52. Now, probability equal to same formula. So, number of outcomes, we have 4 possibility. We can pick any one of these 4 aces in that total pack of 52 cards. And total number of outcomes, that is total number of cards are 52. So probability will be 4 by 52. We can keep it like this or we can simplify. If we simplify, this will be 1 by 4 ones are 4 13s are 52. So it will be 1 by 13. Next is C bit. In this, he has given some apples. Some green apples are there, some red apples are there. And he is asking probability of getting red apple. So probability we know the formula. According to this formula, number of outcomes of this red apple divided by total number of outcomes. What are the total number of outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7. Then red apples. How many red apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4. So the answer will be 4 by 7.